Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. Today I'm sharing the February Stampin' Showcase projects. All of these projects were sent to me over the course of the last month. Okay, so where to start? Let's start with Margaret's cute little nugget purse. It opens up like this. She even sent me some magnets so that I could make, or not magnets, but Velcro dots so that I could make one if I wanted to. Isn't it so cute? Thanks, Margaret. Okay, so then let's go over here to the cards. This card is from Janet. Opens up just like that. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so that's Janet. This card is from Terry. I took off the belly band and it opens up like that. I love it. Put the belly band back on. This stamp set is just too cute, isn't it? This one is from Kim. This is a circle card and it opens up just like this. So here's how the back side looks, okay? Yeah, I need to make one of these. So that's from Kim. The next card is from Grace and it opens up just like this. I love it. Isn't this so cute? So that's Grace's card. Next we have Bonnie's card. Very pretty. And then the next card is from Mary, I believe. Yes, Mary. And you open it up and then you open it up again. So it has two insides. This card is from Stephanie. This is one of my downlines. She always makes the cutest cards. Very cute. Next we have the set of tins, or cans, I should say. This is from Lisa. I used to do this way back years ago. I used to use coffee cans. So she took our beautiful Berry Blessings paper and covered these cans, and she covered the inside too. They make really cute pencil holders, or like back in the day I did coffee cans, and they just hold all kinds of awesome gifts inside because the coffee cans were big. Of course, they're not cans anymore. Now they're plastic. Okay, the final one I'm going to share with you is Pam's, and I saved it for last because she always, every month she outdoes herself with sending me packages. And so this is the envelope, which is Darling, and then this is the card. Opens up like that. So cute. And then look at this. I didn't even take it apart because I wanted to save it for the video. So it opens up like this. And look inside. Is that not the cutest thing ever? And then the other piece that she sent, Brooke is going to be so happy. Brooke's a major tea drinker. Look at this little image. And then these teas. Okay, so now out of all the submissions, we're going to draw for a $25 gift card. I've wrote everyone's name on a Post-it note and put them inside there. Well, let me shake it up some more because that wasn't a very good shake. Okay, so Mary, you are the winner. So I will send you an email and you can choose $25 and product of your choice. Okay, so I look forward to getting all the submissions for March. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot.